Hello everyone, I am Ayu Wiranti. In this video, I will tell you about critical review of the text entitled Paper Recycling. This text consists of 5 paragraphs. The first one is about paper is a sweetenable waste. It's a different than another. So paper came from the trees in the jungle or in the forest, but plastic came from the oil and also from the mineral. But in Australia, 45% of new paper, the material of new paper, comes from the waste paper. So that one is a good recycling in Australia because the government make a good collecting and also good selecting of the paper recycling. For the second paragraph is about 70 hundreds waste in the world is come from the paper waste paper. In this case, paper has a low quality than the first new paper because there will be paper recycling that make a contamination between the new paper and also the ink in the paper. But so in that time, not only for the government that make a contribution in this case, there are also communities and also the citizen to make a contribution in this case. That's for the second paragraph. The next paragraph is about selecting the paper. So there are some paper that cannot be recycled. For example, book and permanent recording. And also there are 4 papers that can be recycled. The first one is the paper that came from the packaging of the things in the shop or in the shop or in the some of the supermarket or mini market. And the second one is the paper and printing converter. The third one is the paper which come from the office. And then the fourth one is the paper which come from the house that cannot be useful. And the fourth paragraph is about how to recycle the paper. So the waste paper here will be combined with water that make a combination between both of this. So that will be making good combination to make a new paper with a low quality. So there will be 2 paper that can be made. The first one is the low quality of the paper that only the combination between the waste paper and also the water. The second one is the good paper, so the new paper. But in the second paper, it needs more materials to combine and also to clean the ink that consists in the waste paper. For the last one, it's about paper is really it's really bad needed in a world because it made from the lot of trees of one paper. So paper here have to recycle to make a good one. In this case, paper recycling by the down cycle because there will be less quality of the paper. That's all about the critical review of the paper, but I will continue with the next one. It's about how about the text and the reality. The text here tell about how we make a how we make a paper with how to make a good recycling of the paper, and also to recycle the paper in other words. In Indonesia, bit different than Australia. In Australia, it's already recycle the paper till 45% of waste paper, but in Indonesia it's still low quality, and also low activities, low contribute from the communities and also from the government. But some of area in Indonesia already make paper recycling, but just some of us. So this text is really good to make a good changing of our country. That's all about my video, about my critical review. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.